Today, I'm going to tell you how to become a billionaire by accident.
Not that kind of accident, damn it! It wasn't even an accident!
Well, actually, how Twitter was born out of a disaster. And it all happened because of three things: a microphone, a bird, and a fruit. In 2005, Audio was born, a podcasting company. It was founded by Evan Williams. Yep, the same guy who sold Blogger to Google. The idea was to build a platform where anyone can create and share podcasts. It was a solid plan. What can go wrong? Well, it got destroyed by a fruit. Not literally. In the same year, Apple released iTunes podcasts, and Audio, it was dead in the water. Evan called his whole team and said, "Our core idea is toast. What else do you got?" The team answered something else, but what I heard was, "We got a bird." Back in the meeting, the team scrambled, and one employee, a quiet programmer, pitched a bizarre idea that no one even expected. What if we build a site where you post status updates about what you're doing in real time? So the leader said, "We don't have any better idea, so let's do it." So they did the required modification, and it gave birth to the app with the bird logo, Twitter. By 2006, the app launched internally, but the name was Twitter, not Twitter. Why? Because chopping out vowels in 2006 was cool. Employees posted updates like having coffee, fixing bugs. Pointless? Absolutely. Addictive? Oh yeah. And then came SXSW 2007. Audio set up giant screens showing the live tweets. The crowd went wild. Suddenly, this little side project became the star of the show. But the founders did something really crazy. They sold the whole Audio project to Williams at a very cheap price. They had no idea this side project is going to be a billion-dollar business. Twitter became Twitter. Now, Elon Musk owns it and renamed it X. But here's the twist. Have you ever wondered why X? Elon has been obsessed with the letter X for decades. Back in 1999, years before Twitter even born, he launched a startup called X.com. And it wasn't a social app at all. It was an online banking app. And the crazy part is this same startup later became PayPal. If you think this is crazy, you might be surprised what Nokia did recently. Check out my next video.